really excited, feeling really keen to show the film. I think we worked really hard, the crew worked really hard, we really stepped up our game.
This has been a massive year for Pacific people in films with Vai, Take Home Pay For My Father's Kingdom, and that's because there's a critical mass of Pacific talent coming through, and it's definitely going to get bigger. More of us that can take the courage to do what Stallone's doing, we're going to see more and more product out there in the market.
Work-wise, in terms of what's next, is we're self-distributing the film. So what happens with this film, how well it does, or if it doesn't give us a take-home pay, then it sort of dictates what happens next. So hopefully it does well, and then we can bring some bigger projects to the screen.
Stallone and Dinah, man, is legends. It's really cool to everyone to kind of see some brown faces on the screen, and also just be very proud that our storytelling is something that's needed in this day and age.
I'm proud to be a Samoan, and especially I'm proud to represent my country, especially because everybody can watch it all over the world. So excited, and can't wait to watch the film.
Love working with Ronnie, love working with Vito, and great to be a part of something that Stallone has created, and hopefully it translates on screen when people watch the movie.
Daddy, we're going to New Zealand! We're going to New Zealand!
Getting a comedy rifle film is all about understanding your audience, and also where everything is at the moment, culturally speaking, in terms of what people are finding funny at the moment, what worked from our last film, and what can we bring to that, and what can we build upon to ensure that we don't rest on our laurels. So for film it's hard, it's because you don't really have the luxury of trial and error.
We had a lot of running scenes, chasing, so it was the running that was hard, more for them. For me, it was like, because I usually do marathons and things, I had the lung capacity to be able to run around and last the distance.
Yeah! My character, I play Alama in the movie, and Alama is like the one who always do all the fe'aus, and he always respect the family, do whatever they want. Yeah, just exactly what I do back at home. Do all the fe'aus and what everybody wants.
My character is Popo. He's a very ula vale kind of guy, that kind of cousin that's in your family. I've got about 5.
You want me to look into your eyes?
Just be natural.
Alama's mindset was I want to provide money and take it back as remittances back to help family over in Samoa, as we do. But then the other brother, my character, Popo, kind of looks at it as more of a I don't know, I've got all this money and I want to see the world, I want to live life, I want to explore what New Zealand has to offer. So for me, Popo takes up the mantle of, I'm going to take the money and run.
As soon as I got the script, pretty much by the next day I memorized it. I'm one of those real method actors, and it's really important to me, my role, and just sticking to what the director's trying to portray, on the screen. So, but these two, they mucked around a lot. Didn't even learn their lines. I had to recite their lines for them because I knew the script so well, where they had to be positioned and things like that. So I was pretty much director number 2.
I have to bag this for evidence.
There's quite a few key messages in the movie, which I believe will be, people will enjoy and understand. So really looking forward for people to come and watch.